the supreme teacher of paradise, raining wisdom upon lives. Planet Jupiter is considered most benefic planet in Vedic astrology. It represents wisdom, luck, respect, authority, benevolence, justice, intellectuality, philosophy, religion, wealth, prosperity, peace of mind, education, diplomacy, gains, and spirituality. Jupiter's strength and its good placement in a chart is very much required to have many beneficial aspects of life. Jupiter Brihaspati Astronomy. Brihaspati or Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. In the solar system, it is fifth planet from the Sun. The distance of Jupiter from Sun is around 501 million miles. Jupiter consists hydrogen and helium, and because of it is called a gas giant. Jupiter is not a terrestrial planet and it is mainly a gaseous planet. Its diameter is 1,42,986 km and it takes almost 10 hours to rotate on its axis. Jupiter takes around 12 years to revolve around the Sun. Jupiter's mass is 317.7 times more than the mass of the Earth. The density of Jupiter is 1.3 gram per centimeter cube and it is second highest in gas planets, but it is around 23% of the density of Earth. Because of this, its gravitational force is strongest among all planets in the solar system. There is a faint planetary ring around the Jupiter. Astrology of Jupiter or Brihaspati. Importance of Jupiter in horoscope. In the words of astrology, Jupiter, who is also called as Brihaspati and Dev Guru in Sanskrit, is the planet of wisdom, the lord of light, and the teacher of gods. He is the paradisial giver of divine knowledge upon the mortal land. In the studies of astrology, it has been the first and most benefic planet, and for the same, it is believed to be the most auspicious. There is a reason for this. In Vedic astrology, Brihaspati is the natural karak of four very important houses. So, irrespective of the ascendant and lordship, it is beneficial for the natives of all the ascendant. Jupiter is the natural karak of second house, house of wealth and speech, fifth house, house of education, diplomacy and children, ninth house, house of luck and religion, and 11th house, house of gains. In the world of astrology, it has been given many names comprising Lord of Power, Lord of Wisdom, Lord of Sacred Speech, Guru of Gods, God of Gods, etc. In the intricate structure of horoscope chart, presence of Jupiter explores many significant directions in the lives comprising fortune, growth, affluence, respect, journeys, ambitions, success, spirituality. The good placement of Jupiter in the chart expresses the level of wisdom, attitude of benevolence, sense of justice, color of thoughts, independent outlook, dreams of life, and philosophical aspect in the lives of an individual. The most potent and highest positive position of Jupiter in the horoscope chart is the first house, beside which it is perceived to impact good both in Kendra, 4th house, 7th house, and 10th house, as well as in auspicious Trikona house, 5th house, and 9th house. The placement of Jupiter in the Trik house, 6th house, 8th house, and 12th house are not auspicious, while its placement in 2nd and 11th house is also considered good. Apart from the placement, Jupiter aspects three houses from where it is placed, and the aspect of Jupiter is considered most auspicious. Brihaspati has 5th, 7th, and 9th aspects. The houses which got aspect of Jupiter got enhanced in the auspicious matters, and the ill impacts caused by other malefic planets are removed. The planet Jupiter governs over the zodiac Sagittarius and Pisces, so for the natives having Sagittarius and Pisces ascendants, Brihaspati become increasingly benefic. Apart from it, for the Aquarius ascendant natives, it is the lord of 2nd and 11th house. Both of the houses are related to wealth and gains, so it solely represents the wealth, money and gains, and in case of this ascendant, it is also a very beneficial planet in terms of gains and affluence. The people having strong and well placed Jupiter excel in their life. These natives are generally have prosperity, peace of mind, benevolence, helpful nature, wisdom, and happiness in life. A strong Jupiter makes people inclined towards administration, management, education, religion, intellectuality, entrepreneurship, consultancy, astronomy, astrology, law, consultancy, and politics. A weak Jupiter in the horoscope may cause many problems like lack of wisdom, poor grasping, lack of wealth, unnecessary expenditures, struggle, problems in marriage, and peace of mind. Average support of love, problem in education and childbirth, problem in speech and harmony in family. However, these are general results and could only be perfectly predicted after the study of all other planets and houses as well. One more significant aspect associated with the planet Jupiter says that the positive impacts of the planet upon the individual are believed to be the reflection of his positive deeds in his or her previous life, as the natives get endowed with different sets of life on accounts of what they left around when they lived earlier. In the lives of women, it has a different significance as it determines the path of marital life and enclosure of relationship in her journey of life upon this land. In the words of science of astrology, Jupiter has been perceived as the teacher of science of light, astrology, and astronomy. On account of this, natives of the planet with his strong placement are highly inclined toward these sectors and are generally found involved in them. These people are the strong possessor of moral values and ethics and respect the prevailing convention and are well educated. Altogether, planet Jupiter is the most benefic celestial body, bestowing success, growth, affluence, and recognition to the natives. Body parts and disease controlled by Brihaspati. The zodiac in which Jupiter is placed in a horoscope is the Jupiter sign of the person. Jupiter sign decides the dignity of this planet in the horoscope. In human body, it rules the liver, tumors, malignancy, organs of hearing, lower abdomen, hips, circulation of blood, blood pressure, and arteries. The ill-placed Brihaspati may cause jaundice, gastric, chronic constipation, cough, cold, asthma, nose bleeding, apoplexy, tumor, liver weakness, ear trouble, and high blood pressure. Professional or career fields of Jupiter. The divine giver of knowledge, the planet Jupiter governs pours his wisdom over few segments of career in the lives of humans comprising law, spiritual profession, teaching, advertising, philosophy, politics, entrepreneurs, clothing, medical, marine industries, art and painting, oil and chemicals, banking and finance, psychology, administration, and businesses. The planet comprises its domination over those segments where a strong hold on knowledge and intellect is required. Medical health sets of Jupiter, disease caused by ill-placed Brihaspati. The planet Jupiter rules over some of the medical aspects of human lives and paves the path of health comprising blood vessels, air in heart, liver, left ear, thighs, ribs, arteries, bone marrow, pituitary gland, lungs, backbone, and deposition of fats in the body. An ill-placed Jupiter could result in some health problems associated with digestion, gallstone, low blood sugar, jaundice, obesity, malnutrition, and hemorrhoids, while a well-placed planet could bring optimism, self-belief, longevity, attainment of strength and valor. Strength or dignity of Jupiter in a horoscope, exalted, Mool Trikona, Swastan or Swagrihi, debilitated. Jupiter carries different dignities or strength in our horoscope on account of its placement in different zodiacs as leaving different impacts upon us. Best position of Jupiter exalted. Uch. In the well-established words of astrology, Jupiter or Brihaspati is believed to be the most powerful and effective in Cancer. The exaltation or Uch dignity of Jupiter or Brihaspati begins with 0 degree of Cancer and goes up to 5 degree. At 5 degree, Jupiter or Guru is in highest exaltation state. After 5 degree, it leaves the exalted state and come to the Mool Trikon, which is the second best state. The exalted Jupiter would give the native virtues, wisdom, wealth, and happiness in life, as Jupiter is the natural karak of 4 auspicious houses 2nd, 11th, 9th, and 5th. Having a exalted or Uch Jupiter in horoscope is generally a boon to the person. It makes the person lucky, religious, wise, and of noble nature. The person attains the high designation in his profession and would be very successful in having favor of authorities. Second best position of Jupiter, Mool Trikon. The second best state or dignity of Jupiter is known as Mool Trikon, which starts from 6 degree to 30 degree in Cancer, followed by 0 to 10 degrees in Sagittarius. Mool Trikona is the second best state of Jupiter or Guru. It would make the person high status in life. The person will be benevolent and perform pious deeds. He would be successful in his undertakings and help others as well. The person will be wealthy and spend his wealth in good deeds. Good position of Jupiter, own house Swasthan. Jupiter comes in the enclosure of its medium dominance and effect upon the mortal lives when it comes at 11 degree in Sagittarius, which goes from 0 to 30 degree in the Pisces. This position of Jupiter is called as own house or Swasthan. When Jupiter is in Swasthan, it increases all the qualities of the house in which it is placed. For example, the Jupiter is in 11th house of income. It will increase the flow of money and income. The native will not only earn from his profession but also from investment. Poor position of Jupiter, debilitation, niche. Jupiter is believed to in its poor state or debilitation as reflecting negative impacts upon the lives of human in Capricorn, starting from 0 degree to 5 degree. At 5 degrees in Capricorn, Jupiter is in the deepest debilitation as to be at its worst placement. Here it lacks all of his strength and power and so on, called as niche. The debilitated Jupiter or Brihaspati cause many difficulties in the life of humans. The debilitated Jupiter or Guru would make the native sinful and lesser lucky in life. The person has to work hard in his life for the success, and luck part would play a lesser role in his success. The person would not be much interested in religion and spirituality. He would be more interested in worldly matters and would lack benevolence. Expression of Jupiter or Brihaspati. Jupiter is explicitly known as the supreme teacher in this existence throughout universe and has been adored as the divine guru of paradisical souls. On account of this, the expression of wisdom and spreading knowledge around. Planet Jupiter is the celestial expression of intellect and understandings and is the divine pourer of intelligence upon the land. On account of the same, as it has been studied in the words of astrology, Brihaspati governs over the path of education in the life of mortals, and so on is the expression of path of education. Besides this, Jupiter is the divine expression of prosperity and fortune, as it dominates over the states of prosperity and luck in the lives upon earth. On the other hand, Brihaspati also expresses the supreme sacredness and presence of supreme souls and their godness upon our lives. Blessings of Jupiter or Brihaspati. Assigning Jupiter in the horoscope chart of an individual brings him or her a glittering path of education and bestow the person a deep knowledge of surroundings along with a strong intellect. A well-placed Jupiter bestows wisdom and knowledge to the natives and makes them grow high in the path of career and wisdom, besides leading them towards continuous success. A strongly placed Jupiter results in the appearance of scholars, leading and dominating the path of education toward the peak of supreme wisdom. Effects of well-placed and powerful Jupiter or Brihaspati in the birth chart. A well-placed and powerful Jupiter or Brihaspati is strongly believed to bring wisdom and supreme knowledge along with strong intellect as leading the individual toward the high mount of success. With the possession of all information and intellect, a potent placement and powerful dignity of the planet Jupiter or Guru in the horoscope chart bestow the person all the sets of affluence and fortune as adoring the path of life. A good placement of Jupiter or Brihaspati results in the emergence of philosophical and spiritual attitude in the individual and makes him or her highly inclined toward the religion, which could lead towards celibacy and detachment from the world. Horoscope charts having strong placements of Jupiter or Brihaspati are perceived to bring good fortune in good quantity to the home of the native. A well-placed Jupiter could also come out in a strong knowledge of Vedas and high inclination towards them. For the women lives, Jupiter or Brihaspati has one different aspect in his enclosure for the marital life and relationship. of the women, as a good placement of Jupiter brings strength and truthfulness in the relationship around a woman. Effects of ill-placed and weak Jupiter or Brihaspati in the birth chart. A poor or ill placement of the planet Jupiter or Guru result in weak stature of fortune in the life of the native, resulting in much of hard work in his or her plate. An ill-placed Jupiter or Brihaspati in the horoscope chart of a person makes his or her path of education difficult and comprised of hurdles. Ending is not a much good state of learning and qualifications. On account of this, the path of success for the individual becomes intricate due to presence of much hindrances and obstacles. The poor placement of Jupiter or Guru might also badly affect the marital life and enclosure of relationship in the life of a woman native. A weak or ill placement of Jupiter or Brihaspati could turn the person towards the opposite side of spirituality, as detaching him or her from the religious beliefs and faith upon supreme souls.